cars, donuts, large groups, and loud music.
Tires squealing, engines.
This apparent party becoming a weekend ritual.
I've heard the sirens, I've seen the flashing lights, I've seen a police helicopter one time.
A YouTube video shows donuts.
Anybody calls and sees that type of activity, we will respond. It is something that we're responding to.
They're in the operational phase of trying to stop these groups, engaging in what they call swinging and describe as reckless and illegal behavior.
As you stop them here, they just go somewhere else.
What up, Dope Dev fam? Your boy out here with another video. Today we're just doing a little vlog, nothing too exciting. We're gonna be doing a little unboxing, and then maybe we're gonna go check out the truck later today. I have it dropped off somewhere because I'm getting some body work done on it. If you guys don't remember, a while back when I got rear-ended, so the whole bed hit the back of the cab and made a dent on the corner of the passenger side in the back. So I'm getting that dent pulled and getting it all fixed, so when I wrap the truck the next time, it'll look pretty much like normal, because right now there's a big ass dent. And I'll show you guys when I pull up to the spot, because I gotta drop up some money. But yeah, when I pull up, I'll show you guys the dent and everything and how it's gonna get fixed and so on and so on. But right now, let's go ahead and do this little unboxing. Nothing too fancy. Picked up a third brake light for my truck, because the one that I have currently, it got like faded, and I think water got into it, so it's pretty much all damaged now, and I needed a new one anyways.
For the truck.
I know. Okay.
Yay!
Here it is, guys. See that there? The third brake light. It is an LED third brake light, so I don't have to put any bulbs into it. It just connects straight to the cables, and then it has a little fuse or a resistor. Pretty clean. It also came with this what would you call it, like a seal to go between the cab and the actual light, like that. And that's actually pretty good, because the last one I bought didn't come with one, and I feel like that's why the water got inside of it. But it helps for all like the water and, you know, debris not to get inside your cab, because if you don't know, pretty much there's a hole where the third brake light goes. You take that off, and your headliner is in there. So if any water or debris gets in there, it'll go into the inside of the truck. So this is really, really good that they send this. And I only picked it up for like, I think 25 bucks. If you guys are interested in purchasing a third brake light like this one, I'll put a link in the description. Like always, I'll have a couple links down there, things that I've purchased in the past videos, and so on and so on, so you guys can go ahead and get yourself something. I also picked up these LEDs for my bumper, or for the plate. So on the back of the truck, if you have a Silverado, you'll recognize these. But pretty much, these are the little caps that go on the bumper, and these are the LEDs. These are where the plates, so that your license plate will be in the middle, and these will shine on your license plate. Well, instead of putting little LED lights inside, I bought these whole new replacement caps that are LED. As you can tell, all those little LEDs are in there. And kind of the same thing as a third brake light. You don't need a bulb. You just connect it, and it works. So we'll see how these work. They should be pretty bright. I'll also have a link to these in the description down below. Or if you're local here to Arizona and Mesa isn't too far from you, make sure to go check out Marcus LEDs. He also has these in stock. But obviously, if you're not local to Arizona or Mesa's too far from you, and you'd rather get stuff shipped to your house, then I'll put a link to these so you guys can cop these. I think these were like 15 bucks. But yeah, we'll see how those work. I also want to give a big shout out to two people. First one's gonna be Big Lip and Wide Hips from YouTube. He sent me a couple of decals. Here's one of them. I showed you guys. I put one in my truck already. And then I just got another one today from my boy Jay. If you don't know him, follow him on Instagram. He has the white cat eye step side that looks like a U-Haul truck. I think both of these homies are from Texas, so shout out Texas. Always getting love, mad respect from Texas. And if you guys want to send me any stickers, anybody else, feel free to send them to me. Just let me know. I'll give you guys my address. I'm gonna start filling up this side of the mirror with stickers and decals from people. So there's mine, my homie Big Lip, the homie Jay. He sent me two of these, so one will be going on my truck and the second one will be going here. There we have it, guys. I also want to show you guys a couple little upgrades I also did on my Glock. Showed you guys a couple things I did on my AR the other day. I did get a couple new things from my Glock. As the first thing, you always want to make sure the gun is unloaded for show purposes. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Take this off. Take off the mag. Then you want to check the slide to make sure there's nothing inside. Let me go ahead and do that. There you go. Nothing, no ammo. Gun is clear. So the new things I got were these sights. They're the TRUGLO sights. You can tell. You have the two green dots right here and then the red dot in the front. Let me show you guys the sights I had on before. They were just the high sights that came with the Glock. There were these right here. The high sights are pretty much for when you put a suppressor or an RMR so you can see over it. But since I don't have any of that right now, I want to go ahead and pick up these TRUGLO ones. And supposedly these are good for like night shooting. Like if you ever have to shoot at night for some reason, they glow in the dark so you can see. And then I also picked up these tools to able to remove these sights because the sights don't come off as easy as you think. Picked up this pick tool. Well, it's a 3-set tool pretty much. And I'll put the link in the description down below too. This one's to remove your cap off your mags for your magazines to make them extended like I have on this one. This is the +5. Originally it holds 15, but I added this +5 so now it holds 20. And to be able to remove the little cap in the bottom, you don't need this tool. I did it without the tool, but it's easier with the tool. I think it was only 10 bucks for this set of 3 tools anyways, and it came with a little baggie. And then this tool you will need to remove your front sight. This front sight right here. It's like a little hex screw inside the slide that you have to remove. And then to remove the sight in the back, I had to pick up this sight remover tool. This one was like 40 bucks, but that was actually the cheapest one I could find. Everyone else was trying to sell a sight remover tool for like 100 bucks or more, and this one's an actual pretty sturdy sight removal tool. Like it's not cheaply made or anything. You pretty much put your slide in here, and then you turn this little handle and it starts moving this little block, and it starts sliding the sight off of the starts moving the sight off the slide. And like I said, You could do it without this tool, but this tool really helps. Like without the tool, you'd probably have to get like a punch something like this, hold it here, and then have like a rubber mallet hitting it and sliding it off, and then to put it on the same thing. But this tool just made everything so much easier, guys. I would also put the link for this in the description if I don't already. And it came with a little case and everything, so that's pretty cool. Keep everything nice and put away. Same with the little removal tools. Those came with the little baggie. Alright guys, I just pulled up. This is the dent I was talking about. It was way worse before. I probably pull up a clip of a before video that I have, but as you can tell, all this was damaged from that bed getting pushed in, guys. And then I got those bars done right there, making the frame more sturdy. But yeah, whenever this is fixed, I'll come and pick up the truck, and then we'll start looking for a new bed, guys. Now we're just gonna go ahead to my boy Kelvin's house. He needs some help doing some stuff with the trailer and picking up a bed, so we're gonna head over to his other room. What do you think, guys? Raffle truck? It's a V6, but we can put a 5.3 in it. Get it looking clean. $24 guys for sale. All tires pretty much brand new. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed that little vlog. You know, just chilling, kicking back. Make sure to check out the links in the description down below. If there's anything you guys want to buy and you're interested in, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.